Hello friends, welcome all of you in my channel S&T Power Vision. In this video we'll talk about the user relationship here. So what is user relationship and how it works here. So first of all we will see its syntax. Basically it specifies an existing relationship to be used in the evaluation of a DEX expression. The relationship is defined by naming as argument the two columns that serve as a endpoint here. Its syntax is the user relationship column name 1, column name 2. Now we'll see in the more detail here how it works here. So for that go to the Power BI dashboard. So this is one of the model here. Here we have the orders and this is the date table which we have created. So now here we can see the two relationship here. We'll see its property here. First one we'll see the active relationship existing between date and orders. Here this is the date and this is the order date here. This is the orders table. This is the order date column here. This is the active relationship here. We can see make this relationship active as a check. Now we'll see another relationship which is inactive. Here we can see same column date. After this in the orders table we have another column of ship date. Here this time this relationship is active here, inactive here. So we'll see how this user relationship work here in the case of inactive relationship here. Here cardinality is many to one. We can see cross filter direction single. Only thing with this relationship is inactive. But we have to get the information using this inactive relationship here. So for that we'll write the DAX here. As I said here, so using this ship date and the orders date, we'll calculate the sale value here. For that, we'll write the DAX for this. For that, first in the x-axis, we'll move the orders date, means this date one. Oh, this one. Now, in the y-axis, we'll move the sales here. So these sales by default work on the order date here. Now we have to calculate the sales based on the ship date here. For that, we'll write the DAX function here. New measure. Ship date sales is equal to calculate sum orders date sum of order sales after we'll use the function user relationship. Use relationship orders since we are using the inactive relationship, so we'll order ship date I will run it. Okay, we'll give another name here. This one created ship date sales 01. Now we move it here. So we can see here now we can see the sales based on the order date as well as the this is the date year sales. This is the date here with the ship date sales here. So we can compare the sales based on the two date. One is the order date. This blue one is the order date, and this is it means violet color in the ship date sales here. So means using the inactive relationship only, we can also calculate the sales based on the ship date here. This is the objective of making this video here. So we can see here for year 2014. This is the sales based on the order date. This is the sales based on the ship date here. So this is all about how use relationship function work here. So please like, share, and subscribe my channel SNT Power Vision. Thank you.